Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty and easy chicken balls. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first step, I'm going to use this samosa or sprinkles pastry. You can buy them from supermarket or you can make them at home. Fold them and cut them into pieces as you can see in the video. So basically, I'm cutting the pastries into pieces. As you can see in the video, you don't have to do this step, it's optional, or you can also decorate them with some vermicelles. Once you're done cutting the pastries into small pieces, detach them from each other and then place them on a plate. So the ingredients to make the chicken balls, you need the pastries which you've cut them into pieces. You're also going to need half a kg of chicken. If your chicken has some bones, make sure you've removed the bones. Then afterwards, you're going to need different types of bell peppers, one medium slice of onion, a handful of coriander leaves, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 piece of chicken cube. I've used the jumbo or you can use the Maggi or any brand that you prefer, 1 lime or you can use a lemon, and lastly you're going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. So the next step, you're going to grind or to blend our chicken. Because my blender is too small, I'm going to blend twice. Make sure you've cut the chicken into small pieces, then place the chicken into the blender. Then afterwards, add the remaining half of the ingredients. Add the bell pepper, onions, the spices, ginger and the garlic paste, and lastly the coriander leaves. Then cover the blender and blend till everything is nicely blended. After around 2 minutes, you're going to open the blender to see if everything is nicely blended, and if not, mix it once more, then cover to blend until everything is nicely blended. Once the chicken and all the ingredients are nicely blended, you're going to take a medium-large bowl and place the chicken into the bowl. Then afterwards, you're going to squeeze a half a lime or you can use a lemon and mix everything well and nice. As you can see in the video, the mixture of the chicken is a bit light because I overblended it. So I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of the breadcrumbs so I can able to make the consistency a bit thick. Pour the breadcrumbs a bit by a bit while mixing until you can able to shape a round ball. And it's high time to shape our chicken ball. Grease your hands using some oil so that it can be easier to shape the chicken balls. Then afterwards, take a small amount of the chicken and shape it into a round ball as you can see in the video. When you're done shaping the chicken ball, lastly you're going to decorate it with the pastries, or you can use some vermicelle, or you can leave the chicken ball just like that. And I'm done shaping and decorating my chicken balls. As you can see in the video, half of the chicken ball I used the pastries and half of them I used the vermicellis. At this point, you can able to deep fry them like samosas, or you can bake them in the oven. That's up to you. If you're going to bake them in the oven like me, make sure you apply some oil to the chicken balls so that they can be nicely baked and have a nice golden brown color. Place the chicken balls at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, then grill them for 10 minutes at 300 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, our chicken balls are nicely baked and have this amazing color. Let them to cool down and serve them on a plate. And our tasty, delicious chicken balls are ready, as you can see in the video. Like, these chicken balls are so tasty. Serve along with some sweet and sour sauce or any sauce that you prefer and enjoy your chicken balls. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of snacks, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.